Welcome back to Anushri channel. Today we learn about the coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. Where should we use the coal and petroleum? Where did you get the coal and petroleum? Both are natural resources. Where should we get the natural petroleum and coal are natural resources. Natural resources and human made resources are two types. Natural resources are natural resources and human made resources. Then natural resources are two types. How many types? Two types of natural resources. Exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. Then once again we repeated coal and petroleum. Today we learn about the coal and petroleum. Where should we get the coal and petroleum? Both are natural resources. Then resources are two types. How many types of resources? Two types. They are one is the natural resources and second one is human made resources. In natural resources we get the two types. What are they? Exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. In natural resources, previously we studied two types. First one is inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resource means these resources are unlimited. These resources are unlimited. Inexhaustible resources are these are natural resources and also unlimited. For examples, sunlight. Okay. And second one is exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources are limited resources and natural resources. These resources are limited resources. Giving these examples, for example, coal and petroleum. Okay. We should learn about some exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources. What are they? Coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are all the formed by dead living organism. They are all dead living organisms were formed by fossil fuels. These are all known as fossil fuels. First we learn about the coal. Characteristics, and uses, and also formation. How to form the coal, how it is uses, how it uses, what is the characteristics. Coal is in black stone and also it is very hard, and then it uses, we cook the food, and the one we use in thermal electricity. Okay. Next, formation. How the formation of coal. Formation of coal. It was formed 300 million years ago. Then coal will be formed in 300 million years ago. Earth had density forest. Earth had dense forest in low-lying and wetland areas. Okay, coal was forming in a 300 million years ago. Then Earth had a dense forest. It's a low-lying and wetland areas. And third one is under high pressure and high temperature. And under high temperature. It will go to the temperature also rose, sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and under high temperature. Okay. It's converted into the coal. Coal mainly mainly contains carbon. Under high pressure under the high pressure it converts into the coal, and coal mainly contains the carbon. The terminology of this process, the terminology of this process
is
the slow
process.
the slow process of conversion of conversion the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation
Into coal.
into coal. It is called carbonization. The terminology of this process, the slow of conversion of dead vegetation into coal, is called a carbonization. In previous we studied in the coal mainly contains a carbon. Coal products are mainly three. First one is coke. Then second one is coal tar. And third one is coal gas. First one is in coal mainly first one is coke. It was a black porous substances. Then it was used in industries. For example, steel. Next, third one is it is used in extraction
of
metals. Coke. First we learn about the coke. It was a black and porous substances, and then it was used in industries. For example, also steel and metals. Metal industry also used it. It was extraction of also metals. It was a black thick liquid. With unpleasant smell. Should be a black thick liquid with unpleasant smell. And next one, it was a mixture of 200 and more substances. The products obtained from coal tar. Okay. Next one. It was mainly using in industries. industries due to extract. For example, it was used in some industries for example, dyeing, photography, explosive, plastic also. These are some examples of the coal tar. We should share Sena in earlier the topic. Coal contains 3: coke, coal tar. Third one is coal gas. It was obtained by the process of coal to coke. It is also industries. Okay. Coal contains 3 products. The first one is coke and coal tar. The third one is coal gas. Coke is a porous black substances, and coal tar is porous. It's a black porous thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Coal gas it was obtained by the process of coal due to the coke. It was used in some industries near to the coal processing industries. Petroleum products we use in our day-to-day life, like petrol. Petrol we using in our vehicles, like vehicles, automobiles and industries we use in our day-to-day life. Petrol. Petroleum means in 2 words. One word is Petra. Petra means rock. Huh? Oleum means oil. Petroleum and this word derived from the Petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. Okay. Petroleum formation. Where should petroleum formation and how did it form? Petroleum was formed by living organism
in the
sea. As they died, their dead bodies settled at sea bottom. Sand and clay in million years million years it should be formed a petroleum. In this figure we show now the oil and gas. Oil is above the water because oil is lighter than water, and gas is lighter than oil. It means we are using into the wells. Then next, refining petroleum. Refining of petroleum. Refining means how to petroleum purify. How to extract the petroleum
To obtain products.
to obtain a products. Okay. Petroleum is dark, oily, odored, liquid with unpleasant smell. It contains various constituents.
Constituents.
Constituents. There are like petrol, diesel, and this process is called refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark, oily, odored liquid with an unpleasant smell. It was a various constituents that's like petrol, diesel, and these are all the process is called as a refinery of petroleum. Some products, what are they? LPG, diesel, petrol, kerosene, bitumen, paraffin wax.
Lubricating oil.
These are examples of products.
Lubricating oil.
And also lubricating oils also. First we learn about the which industries were using LPG products. Where should we use in LPG? LPG means petroleum gas in liquid. It was in using industries are using in industries, at home also be industries and homes. LPG gas between use in homes and also industries. Kerosene was used in fuel for stoves. Next, jet aircrafts, and also we using lamps. Okay, where should we use in kerosene? Fuel for stoves and jet aircrafts, and also using lamps. Where should we use the diesel? It is used for heavy vehicles. Where should we use the diesel? It is used for heavy motor vehicles and also a generators. The diesel is used for heavy motor vehicles and also be generators. Lubrication oil. Lubricant oil. Where should we use a lubricant oil? For lubrication. Where should we use a lubricating oil? For it was using only for lubricating oil for lubrication. Next one is paraffin wax. Paraffin wax, it should be used for ointments, candles. Next, bitumen. Bitumen was used paints and roads. Okay. Products are LPG. Second one is petrol. Next, third one is kerosene. Fourth one is bitumen. And fifth one is paraffin waxing. Lubricant oil. Diesel also be the products of refining petroleum. These all are the, where should we use the LPG gas? It will be the home and industries. Petrol is using the light vehicles. Kerosene was used at cooking for food and jet aircrafts. Bitumen was the road surfacing. Next, paraffin wax, where should we use? Ointments and also candles. Next, lubricant oil is used for lubrications. Which industry is using the lubricates, the metals or anything? You can use the lubricant oil. Diesel for, it was using for heavy vehicles and also generators. Natural gas. Natural gases. Natural gas means it was very important in fossil fuels. Natural gas is very important in fossil fuels. Next, it can be easily transported through pipes. Nowadays, it can be used in India. Delhi and Vadodara. Natural gas, it was an important in fossil fuels. It can be easily transported through the pipes. Mainly it be used in India, Delhi and Vadodara. Okay. Next, CNG, compressed natural gas. It is very light and less pollution. It can be used in to power generating also. What is PCRA and how it is formed? Petroleum Conservation Research Association. It is PCRA means petroleum, P for petroleum, C for conservation, R for research, A for we are all know about association. PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. These some solutions from PCRA. What are they? Drive, constant and moderate speed. The second one is switch off engine at the traffic signals or waiting area. Third one is ensure the correct tire pressure. Tire pressure. Next one is to regular maintenance of the vehicle. These are the solutions from PCRA. Drive constant and moderate speed. And second one is switch off the engine at the traffic signals and waiting area. And third also ensure the correct tire pressure. And fourth one is the regular maintenance for the vehicles. These are all the following the main